Hey, have you ever used the useradd command in Linux?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful command that creates user accounts.
I've heard of it, but I'm not sure how it works. Can you explain it to me?
Sure. The useradd command is used to create new user accounts and configure their profiles.
That sounds useful. How do you use it?
The basic syntax is useradd options username. You can add options to customize the user account, such as the home directory or UID.
What are some practical examples of using the useradd command?
You can add a new user with useradd techment, set a custom home directory with d/home/techment, or specify a UID with U1000.
Wow, those are handy options. Are there any more?
You can also set a custom group ID with G, add a user to multiple groups with G, and more advanced use cases we'll cover in part 2 of the video.
I can't wait to learn more about the useradd command in part 2. Thanks for explaining it to me.
You're welcome. It's an essential command for managing user accounts in Linux.